Hi guys, got a minute? Today I'm in the kitchen with my mom and we're making one of our favorite Christmas traditions, Calcioni Molisani, also called Caveciuni in our Molisano dialect. These Italian chickpea fritters are slightly sweet, delicious, and perfect for the holidays or any time you want a special treat. So let's get started. Sift 4 cups of all-purpose flour. The dough can be mixed in a bowl or made the traditional way by forming a well in the flour on a clean work surface. Add 4 egg yolks to the center of the well. Three tablespoons of sugar. We're going to need half a cup of extra dry white wine. Mix. Half a cup of Crisco shortening. Stir, bringing in the flour a little at a time, then knead with your hands until a smooth, elastic dough forms. So 2 19-ounce cans of chickpeas. We're just going to place them in a small saucepan with the liquid that they came in. Cook them just until they become a little softer. Drain the chickpeas and blend into a smooth, creamy paste. Add 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Blend well and set aside. Roll the dough into a log and cut into pieces. Pass each piece through a pasta machine starting on number 1 and then on number 4 to make thin strips about 4 inches wide. If you don't have a pasta machine, you can roll the dough by hand with a rolling pin to about 1/8 of an inch thick or to your preferred thickness. Place a teaspoon of filling about 1 inch apart along each strip, using a bit of water to help the ends stick. Then fold the dough over the filling and cut into half-moon shapes. Fry in the neutral oil, testing with a small piece of dough to check that it's hot enough. Fry the calcioni, turning them until golden on both sides, then remove with a slotted spoon and let them drain on paper towels or parchment paper. Watch me. Cut any remaining dough into strips, fry, and sprinkle with powdered sugar. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 2 weeks or freeze for up to 3 months. These Calcioni Molisani are so delicious, made with wholesome chickpeas and a touch of cocoa. They're slightly sweet, tender, and golden, and perfect with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. You can also make them with chestnuts if you prefer. Have you ever tried them or heard of them before? I'd love to hear in the comments. Thanks so much for being here. If you enjoyed seeing our family's traditional recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who love Italian treats. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one.